Good morning, LC people. Well, Dave's on day 6. The frame took a bit longer than I expected, but it's arrived. I've collected it this morning. I can't remember what he said now. It's either signal red or traffic red. But it looks very, very nice. Very, very beautiful. I've got around, clean all the threads, put the ID plate back on the front and the lock in there for the steering lock. I've tickled all the bits up, as you know, a couple of weeks ago. And I haven't posted about it because I've just been waiting for it to come back. Got all these lovely bits done down here. The brake calipers, satin, clutch cover gloss, dog bones look, switch gear, front subframe, centre stand. That's the rear bracket for the back brake caliper. Bar ends, caps folding the handlebars, levers, clutch bit, grab handle, side stand, top yoke, and swing arm. He's done a very, very nice job. And now Dave's going to have to crack on. I've been looking forward to doing this. So obviously I start with my centre stand, and then I'll put the front forks and the front wheel in it, and I'll work around that situation. I will keep you posted a bit later on about it, but for now, Dave needs to kick ass. I'd like to see it on the wheels before I go home today. It's about 10:30 now, thereabouts. Yes, it is. So let the fun commence. I'll post later my progress and see how we get on. But if you've been watching the journey, now's the good bit. I like this bit. Obviously, I'm going to have to clear powder coat off here and there. But most of the threads he blocks up. But as you know, you still have to remove bits and pieces. Somebody messaged me the other week, couldn't get the swing arm in, and said, well, if you like remove this off of here. I said, no. He said, well, that's probably why it don't go in then. When you think, once the thickness of the powder coating's on, this side and the other side, there's probably a mil and a half, maybe, thickness of powder coat, make it very difficult to fit. You have to do these bits, the little bits like the collars here, look, because there's a collar on the bolts, and they won't fit sometimes, that kind of crap. You know the story, you know the situation, you have to fettle the bits, which takes the time. Anyway, my lovely LC people, I'll keep you posted later, and see what I've got done. Thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.